how to upload resume on FastJobs. If you want to upload resume on FastJobs Singapore app, it's very simple. First, you launch the FastJobs app, and this is the typical interface that you'll be able to find. So what you do is you tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen, then you'll land on this page. Then from here, if you scroll down, you'll find the option that says resume. You can just tap on resume. If you want, you can generate a resume based on the information that is within your account, but you can also upload a custom resume file that you have. So click on the upload resume button, hit the upload button, select the PDF file that you might want to upload, and once done, you will then be able to upload that particular app. So this way you can go ahead and then basically upload your FastJobs resume. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.